I have a dog, period. Okay. And I have a capital letter over here. Okay, great.
Okay, so I have a dog. Okay, so a dog like this?
No, that's not like my dog. That's way too big.
Okay,
that's way too
what
big.
about like this?
That's the wrong color. That's nothing like my dog.
Well, this is what I'm thinking in my head from I have a dog. That's what I think. So we need to make this sentence a little more fancy. So that way when I read it, I see your dog.
Well, how are we going to do that? How are we going to make that fancy?
Well, you have to tell me more about the dog in your sentence.
Well, I mean, it's Trixie.
Okay, I know what Trixie looks like.
Okay, and so like, you know, she's got curly
but
fur.
If I'm writing the sentence and it's Trixie, there's a lot of people out there who don't know what Trixie looks like.
Yeah.
I'm sure even some people who are watching right now don't know what Trixie looks like. So you need to tell them in your sentence what Trixie looks like.
So, okay, well, she's got curly fur, and she's white, and she's little, and she likes to skip when she walks.
Oh.
Yeah, she's fun. But she doesn't look like any other dogs you put
Okay, so, and you said there was a wrong color, so.
Yeah, so she's white.
Okay, all right, so I have a white dog with, you said something about her fur?
Curly fur.
Curly fur. And now, you said she was
I think
small.
Yeah, we might have to put small somewhere else because that would sound weird.
That would sound really weird. So I have a
small
dog with curly fur that
skips when she walks. Period.
That is a fancy sentence because now in my mind I see a little dog that's white, that's skipping on the sidewalk with curly fur. And this is what it is. Yeah. Fancy words.
So
that way you have
the
right stuff. Alphabet. You don't know this. The E and the A makes 3 sounds when they're put together. Yeah. We have E. Like for read.
I like that word.
Okay, I like that word too. Like for bread.
Oh.
We have read, we have bread, and A like for great.
Oh, wow.
So you have to know which sound you need to use when you're using E, makes 3 sounds. A lot of people think it only makes 1 sound, but it makes 3. E, A.
Yeah, because great wouldn't sound as great.
No, we would say greet. Well, it's a word, but it's not spelled like that.
Yeah.
Okay, or gret.
Gret.
That doesn't. So it's E, A. E, A. 3 sounds.